Sharing the same SSH agent among multiple login sessions. Is there a convenient way to ensure that all logins from a given user, me, use the same SSH agent? I hacked out a script to make this work most of the time, but I suspected all along that there was some way to do it that I had just missed. Additionally, since that time there have been amazing advances in computing technology, like for example this website. So the goal here is that whenever I log into the box, regardless of whether it's via SSH, or in a graphical session started from gdm/kdm/etc., or at a console. If my username does not currently have an SSH agent running, one is started, the environment variables exported, and SSH add called. Otherwise, the existing agent's coordinates are exported in the login session's environment variables. This facility is especially valuable when the box in question is used as a relay point when shing into a third box. In this case, it avoids having to type in the private key's passphrase every time you SSH in and then what to, for example, do, git push, or something. The script given below does this mostly reliably, although it botched recently when X crashed and I then started another graphical session. There might have been other screwiness going on in that instance. Here's my bad is good script. I sourced this from my .bashrik. Please tell me there's a better way to do this. Also please don't nitpick the inconsistencies/gaffes, e.g. putting var stuff in etc. I wrote this a while ago and have since learned many things.
I might as well throw my own variation into the mix. And then every time I log in, if I want an agent attached, which I don't always, I just type sshagent.
SSHA, user at remote host. I think this might be what you're looking for. Use the A switch when running SSH forward your SSH agent. Here's a use case. I have a remote server that has some Git repos on it with a remote pointing to GitHub. Without an SSH agent running in a screen session, I have to enter the passphrase for my key in order to do a git pull origin master. Boo! In addition, I must have my private key installed on the remote server, more bow. Instead, simply using SSHA, user at remote host, passes along my locally running SSH agent. Now, I no longer need my private key to even exist on the remote host. I don't believe you need to do any scripting at all with SSH agent.
Here's a pretty nice one that works in Sigwin as well. Add it to your bash_profile or bashrc. Source, this URL.
Try using keychain, it's made for that. This URL.
If you want to support